Are you struggling with your ONN Roku TV not turning on? Here are 9 effective solutions you can try to fix the issue. Method 1. Check the power supply. First, ensure the power cable is securely connected to both the TV and the wall socket. Also, try plugging the TV into a different outlet to rule out any issues with the power source. Method 2. Inspect the remote. Your TV might not be the issue. The remote could be. Try replacing the batteries in the remote or use the power button on the TV itself to see if that resolves the issue. Method 3. Power cycle the TV. Unplug the TV from the wall. Wait about 60 seconds and then plug it back in. This is known as power cycling and can resolve many problems caused by temporary glitches. Method 4. Check for faulty HDMI connections. Sometimes, faulty HDMI devices can prevent the TV from turning on properly. Disconnect all external devices, like gaming consoles or streaming devices, and then try turning the TV on again. Method 5. Inspect the TV's backlight. If the TV has sound but no picture, it could be an issue with the backlight. Try shining a flashlight on the screen. If you see a faint image, the backlight might need to be repaired or replaced. Method 6. Test the power button. Press the power button on the TV, not the remote, for at least 10 seconds. If this turns the TV on, there may be an issue with your remote, or the TV might have just needed a hard reset. Method 7. Update or reset the firmware. Your ONN Roku TV may not power on due to outdated software. If the TV eventually powers on, try checking for a system update or consider resetting the TV to its factory settings. Method 8. Examine the power cord for damage. Over time, power cords can become frayed or damaged, especially near the plug. Carefully inspect the power cord, and if it looks damaged, replace it immediately. Method 9. Replace internal components. If none of the above solutions work, there could be a deeper hardware issue like a blown capacitor or malfunctioning power board. You may need to contact a professional to check the TV's internal components.